Talked about our days of the week. We've talked about our months of the year. Now we're going to talk about our calendar. All right, so remember we have the month of August right here. How many days does August have in it? Raise your hand and I will call on you. How many days? Layla. How many days does it have? Who knows how many days the month of August has in it? We've talked about it several times. Aubrey, do you know? How many days does August have in it? Look right here at the very bottom of the calendar. It's a 3 and a 1.
30.
What?
31 days.
31 days. Good, Aubrey. Yes, it has 31 days in it. So let's count all the way from 1 to 31. And what I'm going to do, I want to try something. All right. I'm all about trying something new. I want to hear all of you counting with me. We're going to try it. Okay. So I would love for you to try counting with me. And I'm going to get my laser pointer out. And you're going to follow that red dot. Okay? All right, so go ahead and unmute. And we're going to try counting together. Okay? Ready? Here we go. 1, 2,
3, 4,
5,
6,
7, 8,
8,
9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. Great job, boys and girls.
Can you lower it down? Turn it down? No.
All right, so now I need to move our today marker. Can someone tell me what number it needs to go on? What number does it need to go on? Ruby, what number does our today marker need to go on?
31.
Is today the 31st day of August?
I mean, this one.
What's this one? I can't see what you're pointing to.
The one is the 3.
Not the 1 and the 3. You mean this one right here, the 13?
No,
So-
the one with the 3 and the 1.
Today's not the 31st. Today's what's today?
I'll go all the way to down here.
So
This one. 1 and a 3.
no,
So it goes a 3, 1.
no.
3.
So Ruby, it's not the 31st. Yesterday was the 18th. What's today? So if we were here, look at where this button is that I'm moving. Do you see that?
Uh-huh.
Where does that go? What day's today?
I don't see it.
All right, so Lena, can you help me? Where does it go?
White.
To the right? How many?
One to the right.
One to the right. Great directions, Lena. All right, so yeah, it goes one to the right. Okay. All right, let's look at how many days we've been in school. So yesterday, Alex, we were in school 14 days. How many days have we been in school today?
9.
Not 9. What comes after 14?
What's after 14?
Do you know?
15. 15.
15. So where do I need to put a green counter on our board? Where do I need to move a green counter? Where do I put it? Well, where's the 15? Give me directions.
Again.
We're on the 15.
Where's the 15 though? Is it right here?
It's right there.
What's it between?
It's between the 14 and the 16.
Yeah, it's between the 14 and the 16, and it's right underneath the 5. All right.
Good job.
Good job, buddy. All right. So we've been in school 15 days. So we have 1, 10, and we have 4 ones here. That doesn't show 15. Everyone, I want you to show me on your fingers how many cubes I need to add to this to make it say show 15.
2.
I need to add 2. No, I just need to add 1. So 1 will make this 15. And remember, we don't have any hundreds. We only have 1 10. And we have 5 ones. So don't count my ones to make sure I have 5 there for me. Can you do that? Give me a thumbs up if I have the right number there. Good. Let's look at one more counting. So we have 1 full 10 frame, right? And we have 4 filled in, but I need to show 15. Does this show 15? Does that show 15? What do I need to do, Amelia?
Gotta add 1 more.
I gotta add 1 more. Where do I put that 1 more?
By the 4.
By the 4 that are already there. You are right. So we're gonna fill in that top row, just like that. And again, we have 1 10 and 5 ones. So Aubrey, you are our star name today. So I need your help with the weather. Can you take a peek out a window real quick and see what the weather is where you are?
Okay, it is sunny.
It is sunny. Do you guys agree? Give me a thumbs up if you agree with her. Yeah.
Yes.
All right, so yes, I would agree it is sunny. All right, so let's count together. So go ahead and unmute everyone. I want us to count together how many sunny days we've had. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, so we have 7 sunny days. How many partly cloudy days have we had? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many cloudy days have we had?
1.
1.
5.
So we've had one just full cloudy days. All right. So we have. So what do we have the most of? Sunny. So we have the most of sunny. All right. So we need to take attendance. So I have up here our attendance sheet that we use. So we have 19 students in our class. All right, so we have 19 students. Oops. And I want you to count how many students we have with us right now. I don't know if you can see. Can you guys see your friends? Okay. How many students do we have with us today?
19.
So
19.
So make sure you're only
19.
counting. Don't count Mrs. Churchill and I.
Okay. Okay. I can always see.
Right,
I can always.
here, let me stop this. There you go.
Oh, now I can see 3.
Now can you see everybody?
I saw 14.
See 14?
Me. Uh-huh. I see 19.
You see 19? So
Yep.
let's do this. So let's look at, I have our attendance stick right here. So this has 19 on it. So I'm going to say a student's name, so one of your names, and then I'm going to move my finger down for each name I say. All right, so we have Nevaeh, we have Ruby, we have Layla, we have Story, we have Truett, we have Lena, we have Knox, we have Jordan, we have Michael, we have Alex, we have Khaleesi, we have Mari, Aubrey, and Amelia. So I'm going to keep my finger there on that green one. I'm going to break this off. Okay, so let's count this together. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So we have 14 students here. And how many are not with us? Let's count these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5.
So,
I saw no one better.
so we have 19 in our class. We have 14 on our Zoom call right now.
Yay.
And there are 5 that we're missing. All right, go ahead and get your number book out if you have it. I want to talk about a number with us today. We've almost worked our way through our number book.
Miss Harris?
Yes.
And this number book, I only did a little bit because I don't know what the other numbers were.
That's okay. Aubrey. Hey, Aubrey, what color do you want me to use today?
my number back. It's a 10. Blue because that is my
Blue? Okay. Alright, so when we write the number 7, friends, we go across the top and then down, just like that. So we go across the sky and we go down, kind of at an angle.
Wait, Mr. Harris, you didn't give me that page, like that 7 page. Oh
You should
yeah,
have
you
it.
did. Sorry, Mr. Harris. I'm trying to find it first. That's first.
Alright, so now I'm going to put my 7 dots. So I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many more do we need to get to 10?
1,
Count the empty squares.
look, it's 17.
How many do we need to get 3? Good, Ruby. Yeah, we need 3 more to get to 10. And if you want to, you can label the fingers. Practice writing all of your numbers.
Ta-da!
Good job, Mari. And then you can trace over the S, E,
5,
V,
7,
E,
8, 9.
N, and spells 7.
2.
And then let's make our 7 hops on our number line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Mr. Harris,
Yes, Aubrey.
when I was doing like the free, like I practiced so hard because I didn't know how to do the free then. And now I learned how to do it.
Awesome. I love it when we practice and when we work hard. All right, as soon as you are done with that, I want you to stand up and stretch a little bit, and then we're going to talk about a little bit more math, and then we're going to break off into our math groups. So as soon as you're done, stand up and stretch. And then we are going to move on to our next thing. And I think you guys are going to enjoy this because it's a math game. I'm going to show you how to get to that math game too.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's to do all of them.
So make sure you stand up and stretch. And then give me a thumbs up when you're ready to move on.
Okay. That could be. I think this thumbs up.
All right, so let's look at our screen.
Mr. Harris, I wasn't quite paying attention.
That's okay. I'm getting ready to start, so you're good. All right, so we are going to talk about matching buttons. So this is called button matchup. And this says drag buttons that match into the collection box. So when we are matching things, they don't need to be exactly the same. They need to have one attribute or more in common. So an attribute is how you describe something. Okay, so let's say I want to move this black button in here. So it's a black button. It's a circle and has two
Mr.
holes.
Mr. Harris, I'm doing this.
Okay. Just you can listen while you can finish that up and listen to what I'm saying up here. All right, so it's a black button with two holes and it's round. Is there another button on here that I can move and that is either black, is round, or has two holes in it? What do we think? Some of you are kind of frozen, so you can just shout out. Does anyone see another button that I could?
Black circle.
So.
Black circle.
So true. Can I just move this black circle one here, the one I'm moving? Does that match? Do these have something in common?
Yeah.
Yeah.
They're both black and they're both circles.
And then are they the same size?
Yep.
Yeah. Is there anything else? And are there any others that I could add to this box with these two circles?
The black square.
Oh, I can move the black. Why could I move the black square, Truett?
Because it's black.
Because it's black.
Because it's black too.
So, all right. Well, let's move. I want to move this one back. Are there any others, Nevaeh, that I can move in here?
I got one.
What? Which one can I move in?
I see a yellow one.
A yellow? Can I move this big yellow? This one? Is this the one you're talking about?
Yes.
Why could I move that one in there? Why could I move? Nevaeh, why did you have me move that yellow one in there? So is this round?
I see a black square.
So this yellow one's also round, right?
Yeah.
Could I move this one in there?
Yeah.
Give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down if I can move this small green one in there. So Khaleesi, I think you put your thumb down. Why can't I put that one in there?
It's because it's so small and it has a different shape.
Does it have a different shape?
Its size.
It's a different size.
And it has, yeah, it's the same size. And it has two button holes.
So it has two button holes. It's small. It's a different color. But what shape is it?
A circle.
But could we say that the rest of these are circles?
Yeah.
So do they have something in common?
I don't know if they do.
So if these three big ones are circles and this green one's a circle, do we think they can still stay in the box together?
Can I? Can I?
I don't know, can they? I think they can. Because they're circles, right? And they're round. So, okay. So that is a game that you can start playing. And I'm going to show you how to get to that. So I'm going to pull up our Canvas page and show you how to get to this, because I put a link to our math games on our Canvas page. So when you log in, it's taking a minute. You're going to click on our class. Right, and you're going to go down, you're going to click on math. And then right here, it's kind of small, you're going to click on math games. And it's going to take you to this page. These are all of the games we will play in kindergarten. But if you click on this one up here, there are some other games you can play. So you can play button matchup, attribute block matchup, sorting attribute blocks. So there's some other games in there that you can play and work on when you're not listening to me talk on your screen, okay? So that is another place where you can go to do some learning. So what we're going to do is I'm going to